Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Windows 10 voice recorder app, which is built into Windows. And so you could use this to record your voice and save it as a file. Then you could use it for other things if you want to send it to somebody or overlay it over a video later on, that kind of thing. So to get to the voice recorder, you could do a search for it if you like. Voice recorder, or from the Windows 10 style start menu, you could scroll all the way down to V, and there it is right there. So when you open it up, if you have any previous recordings, they'll be listed here. So to do a new recording, just make sure, obviously, you have a microphone connected to your computer, otherwise it's not going to work. And then click on the record icon here. And then you can see the timer going, so you know it's recording, and then this kind of goes along with your voice. And if you need to pause for something, you could pause it, and it's going to stop the timer and stop recording, then you can resume. And then you have this marker icon. Let's say you're saying something important and you want to make a note of that timestamp where you said that. So let's say at 20 seconds, I just said something important, so I made a marker. And so let's say at 25 seconds, I said something else important. There's my marker. So once you're done recording, just simply hit stop, and it'll have your recording here with the date and time next to it. And then if you click on play, it'll start playing it back for you. And so here's the two markers that we made right there. And you could actually add other markers. So when you're reviewing it, let's say at 10 seconds there, I said something important again, I could add another marker. And there it is. And then down here you have some other options. So, once you're done with it, editing it, you could share it. Depending on what apps you have on your computer, you're going to give you different options here. And then right here, if you want to trim it, let's say I don't want anything after this last marker, so I click on that and I do this little slider, take it to about there, and then when I'm done, just click on save, and you have two options: update the original, or if you want to save it as a copy. So if you want to keep your original and then save this as a copy, I'm just going to update the original. So now you can see it's been shortened right there. And if you want to delete the whole thing, you could do that. If you want to rename it, you could do that. So instead of recording to, we could rename it to, whatever we want to say, test. And so then there's your file there with the name test. And then you have a couple other options here. If you want to check your microphone settings, or if you want to see where your file location is, actual file itself, click on that. And then you have, in my case, I put it in my documents under Windows sound recording and blah, blah, blah. So there's the file right there. And from there, you could open it up in your audio player and play it back that way. And then you could also copy and paste it somewhere else or attach it to an email and that kind of thing. So pretty simple. So like I said, just open it up, click on the recording icon. There's your pause, there's your markers, stop when you're done, and then you can edit it, save it, go to the file location, that kind of thing. So it's a pretty useful tool. It works pretty well. And like I said, it's built into Windows, so it's free. So you don't have to worry about buying anything. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.